Hey everyone, Trust Mechanical Marvels back at you again. Well, today I know the garage is a little messy, a little different video for you guys. By the way, sorry about the background noise. We got some other job going on across the street from me. Well, today we are starting my 1985 Murray lawn tractor that used to be a lawnmower, but mower got taken off and had rusted some holes in it, but otherwise we're gonna start this thing up for the first time in about 8 months, if I'm correct or not. But yeah, she's gonna get started. I got some other work to do with her. I gotta get the oil and everything going, so I will get back with you guys when everything is all set. So, alright, see ya. Sorry for the little dilemma there. Of course, I'll just say it one more time. This is my 1985 Murray lawn tractor. If anyone wants to know any information on this, the carburetor was rebuilt in like 3 or 4 years ago, and it just needed a carburetor rebuilt. That's a lot of engines that really need them. But this is a Tecumseh. I think this is it's a 12 horsepower. It's an overhead valve, I think. One of the headlights are missing. That's another issue. But overall, it's pretty good. I got a new, I don't know if you guys can see it. In the corner, I'll try and zoom in on it. I can't really see it, but there's a new there's a new one of those gas filters in here, so yeah. Well, next thing, we just got to get this thing out of the garage, and I'll tune back in. So, alright, so we're back. I'm gonna check the oil filter right now. I don't know if you guys really want to see it, but I haven't checked this thing in about maybe 4 years since the carburetor at least has been rebuilt. So yeah, we'll exactly see what this carburetor, or not carburetor, my bad, air cleaner looks like. Oh, I'll get you guys a close-up of this. So it's not really that bad. I thought it would look dirtier than it should have, but it looks good overall. So we are gonna put this thing back together, and then I will pump up the other tires, and then I will take this thing out and we will start it. So yes. All right, so now it's time to go. So now it's time to go start. Let's do this. And this thing needs some choke to start. So here we go. Push the clutch in and give her a whirl. Alright, I'm gonna take her for a little test drive along around the yard, excuse me. So, alright, here we go. Well, I guess that's where I'm going to end the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.